One word for PSM Makassar.
One what?
Yes.
One
One word.
word?
Word.
Let's try together. My name is Victor Mansaray. I play striker, and I'm from America.
Your nickname?
I don't have one.
So, what your friend always call you?
It's Victor.
Oh, just Victor.
The coach called me. Me and Bernardo talked, and I have other options, but what he presented to me make more sense. And it seems like a really energetic coach. He has a lot of fire, and he believes in his job. So once the call came, I didn't think twice about it. He told me what the plan was to come here and how he expect to play. And I like the formation, and I like what I hear from him, so I decided to come. It's a team that work hard. The team works hard. They're all together. And I feel like in any team, once everybody work together, you can go a long way. So I'm looking forward to that togetherness to continue. I think PSM grew a lot over the years, because last year this club was champion over Indonesia, so that's a positive. Now, I mean, we're kind of down the table a little bit, but that's football. It happens. You know, even in England, it happens. But I mean, I feel like this is a good club that's on the right track. There's no pressure. I mean, there's no pressure at all. I mean, I've been playing this game for 9 years. I know what it takes. So coming here, and like you said, whatever the reporters are saying right now about pressure, no pressure. For me, there's no pressure. I just have to come in here every day and just do my job, and everything else will fall in place. I want to score goals. I'm here to score goals. I'm not here to do nothing else but to score goals and help this club win games. That's all I'm here for.
Okay, Victor. If you had the last chance to travel the world, where would you like to go? Visit your country.
Probably Dubai, Saudi.
Why Bali?
Bali is fun. No, I said Dubai or Saudi.
Oh, Dubai. Okay.
Dubai or Saudi, yeah. No, Bali. But why? Because it's a cool place to go, so why not?
Okay. Beside your wallet and cell phone, what is your must-have item?
My debit card.
But it's in your wallet.
Nah, sometimes in my pocket.
Okay. What was the last music you heard today?
King by Massacre.
Okay. If you were in the FIFA game, what would your score rating be?
My score acting?
Yes.
Probably 99.
Okay. Which world figure or artist would you like to meet?
Well, Lil Wayne.
Just one?
Yeah, maybe Future.
Okay.
And maybe a little Dirk. It's 3. But Lil Wayne is the most.
Okay. What's something you don't like but you must have?
I don't know. I don't know that one. I don't know.
Okay. If you were an actor, what movie would you like to star in?
I don't watch movies, so I don't really know.
Really?
No, I don't watch movies.
Okay. What Indonesian food have you tried?
I don't know the names, but I've tried few.
Can you explain
I've tried the other day. I tried a rice and like a bowl with like peanut butter and soy sauce and then some beef. maybe, yeah, something like that. I don't know.
With peanut sauce.
Yeah, with peanut sauce and it's like peanut sauce and then soy sauce, and then you have like beef on the side with rice.
Oh,
Pisat or something like that. I don't know. I don't know what it's called. But
yeah, maybe you must try in Makassar Choto.
maybe when we get there, I will.
Okay, last question. One word for PSM Makassar.
One what?
Yes,
One
one word.
word?
Word.
Let's try together. I didn't really know that you guys were there. I was looking at something in the stands, but it's a good picture. I wasn't really looking at you guys.
Still remember the final score?
Yeah, I remember the score. We won in Vietnam, and we won here too in aggregate. So I remember.
Yes, this is your you're in Pakansari Stadium, Leg 2 maybe.
Yeah, in Bogo. Yeah, I remember that. I remember this game. I got a yellow card. I remember.
Remember why you get yellow card?
I think I was arguing.
I don't know.
I think I was arguing.
Can you tell the difference between supporter in Vietnam and Indonesia?
Indonesia.
I don't really think there's that much of a difference because I think the football is the same, the level is the same. The only thing I would say about Vietnamese teams, I mean, they're more aggressive and they're more physical. They would hit you, they would be physical with you and force you to react. I mean, I haven't played yet in Indonesia, so I don't know what the league is like. But playing against you guys, I think that was the difference that day for us because our game plan was to come out and just be aggressive, and then just see what you guys' reaction would be. So I'm pretty sure that it was kind of a shock to you guys that we kind of caught you guys on like surprise. You guys didn't expect us to come out and be that physical, and I think that was the most important thing that day.